you take time and then you turn it like this. Then the top will come down. Then the down will go top like this gently. When the fire hits the other side too, like this. You cut it. Then I have my pepper. Oh, let me try it before. Oh, it's not easy.
Put it on the plate for me.
That's right. Yeah. That's right.
Please give me some vegetables.
Okay.
Who watches your turn?
Hello lovely family, welcome back to Eagle Eye Angle. We are so happy that you guys have been following us up to date. You have been sharing our videos, subscribing, liking, and also leaving your comment in the comment section. We say we love you so much. Merry Christmas to each and everyone out there. If you are a new member to this channel, we say welcome. But if you're a member, we say thank you for following us up to date. Okay, in today's video we are going to show you guys how to prepare roasted pork. But I'm here to introduce my ingredients to you guys, so take your seat and follow us. The ingredients I'm going to use: I have pork here, the main ingredient, rice, onion, ginger, then garlic, pepper, powdered one, pepper, carrot, oil. I have seasoning powder here, different types, 3, salt. If you like the video, please don't forget to give the video thumb up. Then you subscribe, like, and also share the videos for us. And leave your comments in the comment section. So hello guys, we are going to put the carrot inside the pork stomach. So we are going, is this carrot that we are going to use it to fill the stomach. So I'm cutting it into sizes that I want. Then I'll use it to fill the stomach. I'll use carrots and then onion to fill the stomach. And then I have rice too. I'll be using rice too to fill it. So I'm cutting the carrots and then I'll cut onion, then I'll mix it with the rice and use it to fill the stomach. So I'm mixing my spices to use it on the pork. Have to use your pepper, your spices. Put your spices inside like this. It's not easy, but what to do? Put your spices. Put your spices inside nicely like this. Raise it for the spices to enter well. This it like this. Because it's full one. If you didn't fill it well, so this will not enter well. So you fill the stomach like this with carrot, the onion, my rice too. Filling it like this.
Bra.
So hello guys, we are still on our roasted pork. So if you are doing the roasted pork and it's on the fire like this, you have to turn it gently so that maybe the top, the down is ready and then the top is not cooked yet. So you have to turn it like this so that the fire can get to the back too, so that the down will come top and then the top will go. Guys, my roasted pork is ready and then we are going to enjoy it. My family and I are going to enjoy it right now. We first of all told you guys that today is 24th. We are enjoying our Christmas. So this is what we have today. So guys, please try this in your houses so that your family too will be happy like the way my family are today. So it's time for eating. This one there, if you take your knife, you cut it like this. You cut it. Then I have my pepper. Oh, let me try it before. Oh, it's not easy at all. So it's time for eating. Now it's time for everybody is going to serve themselves. So it's time. You can serve yourself. Knife is here. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Eagle Eye Angle.
Subscribe.
Which I came with an extra stomach. But then still, you will kill everything.
Chop better.
Chop better. Chop time, no friend. Chop time, no friend. Cut a bigger one. Cut a big one. That's right. That's right. That's right. Madam, isn't this one too small? Or it's okay for you?
It's too small. I'll come again.
That's right.
Hey, this one reaches me. I'll come again. Okay. I'll put it on my plate. Thank you, madam. Please put it on the plate for me.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's right.
Please give me some
Before.
vegetables.
Okay.
Who chase your 10?
Please take it. Okay.
So which side are you going for?
Super idea.
Hey, Sammy.
Thank you. It's very, 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 very.
Yeah, this will serve yourself.
This one they serve yourself. Oh.
This one is original buffet. You serve yourself.
It's really nice.
If
Pork
I
meat.
center my eye.
My favorite meat.
Mm.
Very nice.
Very
And it's good for the body. No
Good for
side
the body
effects.
and good for the soul.
No side effects.
Good food for health. Good health. Mm.
Please try this.
Original pork meat.
Pork meat.
Original grade pork meat.
Mm.
You won't get it anywhere unless Eagle Eye Angle.
No.
Unless Eagle Eye
Angle.
So, our brother in the white singlet is going to testify to how the meat is tasting. So, cameraman, will you please put the camera on him as he testify how the food is going? Oh, the viewers are looking at you. They are waiting to hear what you have to say. The camera is even on you. Talk. The camera is even on you. Don't be shy. Talk. Put it on him. Yes. That is a very good angle. Talk. When he's done talking, we move on to our mother, Era. She also will talk today because today, like I told you, is a special day. Today is a
Everybody
Christmas
is
day.
going to
So
talk.
every member of this great family is going to make a comment.
No worries.
So we start. Okay, our brother is starting.
Yeah.
Nico. Charlie, I'm sorry to us. Oh no, today is Christmas. You understand? Today is a Christmas day. So it will be more beautiful if everybody, at least let the people hear your voices. Because most of the time you are not talking. So let the people hear your voices. Talk. Well, any of you can start.
Charlie, as you can see, it's Christmas. We are enjoying. And it's not us alone. We are enjoying with you. It's really nice. Pork meat, my favorite. It's nice. As you are watching, then you leave your comments in the comment section.
Guys, see how I've enjoyed today. I'm done with everything. In fact, my stomach. Thank you very much. Please keep on liking our videos, subscribe, and then don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sweet sister. We move on to our brother.
Okay.
Or you better still just skip him and come to our mother. Let our mother talk and we move on.
Hola. Say something.
So nice. I'm feeling the food. Next time I will do the same thing again.
Charlie, maybe no plate too. I'm enjoying it on the table.
Our brother is making a comment here. Put it on.
Maybe.
It's so delicious.
Merry Christmas.
Oh.
And a Happy New Year.
How I'm missing my brother, Mr. Palatable.
Oh, where is
Mr.
he? Where
Palatable.
is he now?
Oh,
I thought I'm going to eat. You're telling me where?
so once again, Consumers Association, like we keep on saying, we never disappoint. And as a matter of fact, I want to introduce this as a new slogan of the family. Whenever you are watching us and you hear us say Consumers Association, I just want you to make a response to it wherever you are, and the response goes like, we never disappoint. So Consumers Association, we never disappoint. Thank you so much. Thank you. At the initial stages, honestly, I thought we couldn't consume everything. But then, as you can see, everything has been consumed. Everything. You see, our baby girl even here is even, enjoying more than we the adults. The little girl is even enjoying more than the adults. We thank you so much. We thank you so much for being with us from the onset of the whole thing till now. We appreciate you for the data bundle you are using your money for, your efforts, your time you are spending with us. We say are equal to each and every single one. We say thank you. And then once again, we plead with you and we urge you to like the video, as we always say. You keep on sharing. and then finally you subscribe to the channel so that anytime you drop a new video, you will be the first person to have a notification of it. And then once again, and at the we plead with you to leave your comment in the comment section. Yes, and we, as you always know, we make sure we attend to every comment that drops on the channel. Those who has been commenting, you can testify to that. We make sure we attend to every comment that drops or that comes onto the channel. We say thank you. We appreciate everything you are doing for us. God bless you so much. God bless you. God bless you. Eagle Eye Angle.
Subscribe! Hi there. We would like to appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for liking, subscribing, sharing and commenting on all our videos. We wouldn't have been here without you. Keep watching Eagle Eye Angle. We are the best.